Hi everyone, today I'm going to be explaining the free assessment tool Plickers, which is a tool that uses uniquely coded cards to provide immediate feedback to teachers. So once you sign up for an account, which you can use an existing Gmail to do, you will be brought up to this dashboard and you will also see your most recent files, score reports, and then classes. I did create a first grade demo class for this tech tool blog. So you can see if I click on this, it will show you the most recent slides or quiz that I have been editing. You can also see any notifications and then a class roster, which I just added 2 students to, but of course you can add your entire class. So the most recent thing I've been working on with this class would be additions. You can see here I created 2 slides. One of them I put a word problem in so you can type text. You can also insert images by clicking and then choosing to upload from the computer or the web. Then you can select your correct answer once you type them into the outline boxes by hitting Shift-Enter so that when students answer with their Plickers cards, their answers are scored accordingly. So this is an example of a student Plickers card. So how this works is each student is assigned a numbered card. As you can see up here, this one says 1. And the letters A through D are around the perimeter of the card, and they turn the card based on the correct answer so that the correct letter that corresponds is up top. Teachers will need to make sure that they download the Plickers app on a mobile device like a smartphone or tablet so that they can use the camera, because the camera is essentially what scans these cards here. So from a teacher's perspective, a classroom full of Plickers users would look something like this. The phone scans it through the app, and then the answers are brought up. It scans the code on each card similar to a QR code. And then this would be an example of real-time feedback. This was a class that was studying who the presidents were, and you can see students in the red were ones that chose this incorrect answer here, and then in the green they chose the correct answer, and then a couple other incorrect as well, and a few that are still answering will be down here in white. A similar tool to Plickers would be Kahoot. It's projected just like Plickers would be on a smartboard for students to answer. However, with Kahoot, you would need to have students armed with their own individual mobile devices. So I would recommend Plickers to anyone that's looking to use more of a technological tool, but maybe does not have a one-to-one classroom. I know this is something that I want to try out now, so I'm interested to hear if any of you have used out this tool before. Thanks for watching.